closing time here on Hot Rod Alley, Gothard Street. We got the dogs protecting the shop. J&S gear. So look at that. Chevrolet with American mags. Rolling in the shop for the night. Look at that. It's gonna reside up on a rack tonight. We gotta move a whole bunch of cars in here. Like this Chevelle. That can go underneath the Toyota utilities. Yeah, 56 Bel Air. Yeah, no post hardtop, ain't that pretty. They're making all that noise. First Jet Nova has 327 tags on it. It's got a drop top, red with white top, red interior, automatic. You heard it. Nice clear window in the back. How about that? Fitting right underneath the 51 Chevrolet. Chevy over Chevy. Toyota over Chevy. What up with that? 327 Camaro drop top. Donna's gonna roll it in. Look at that. Well, John got a forklift pallet full of rear ends. Get a gear in your rear. There, Gary rolling in the 5.6. That's a nice color. Roll on American mags. Automatic California black plate. Look at that. Sweet. Oh, shadowing away. Power steering. Bench seats. Got full wheel disc brakes. American mags wrapped around some BF Blue Ridge platforms. Two-tone 56 Bel Air. And alive, down vision. Diane 10. I believe in 1973. Get a rear and a gear here at J&S on Hot Rod Alley, Gothard, Huntington Beach, California.